Fire Maple Fixed Star X2. This little wonder is the ultimate companion for your next backpacking or camping adventure. Let me tell you why. First, the Fixed Star X2 is an all-in-one cook system, combining a heat exchange pot, a sturdy stove, and a secure windscreen. Efficiency is the middle name, as the heat exchange tech allows for faster boiling times and reduced fuel consumption. Say goodbye to those long, impatient waits for a hot meal. The compact design is mind-blowing. Everything nests together, making it an excellent space saver in your backpack. At just 1.1 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight too. What a win-win for backpackers and minimalist campers alike. This gem boasts an eco-friendly anodized aluminum construction, offering both durability and excellent heat distribution. Plus, with its 1-liter pot capacity and wide flame spreader, whipping up a meal for two is a breeze. The folding handles? Super convenient and designed to keep your hands safe from heat. So if you're searching for a portable, efficient and easy-to-use cook system, the Fire Maple Fixed Star X2 is the answer to your prayers. Trust me, you won't regret adding this innovative marvel to your camping gear collection. MSR Pocket Rocket 2. The MSR Pocket Rocket 2 is the epitome of portability. Weighing a mere 2.6 ounces, it's light enough to make you forget it's even in your backpack. And with its incredible folding design, it takes up minimal space, making it perfect for any adventure. But don't let its size fool you. This little powerhouse delivers a whopping 8,200 BTUs of heat output, boiling a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes. Impressive, right? The precision flame control allows you to switch from simmer to boil in a flash, giving you versatility when cooking your favorite trail meals. Setting up the Pocket Rocket 2 is a breeze thanks to its simple, intuitive design. Just connect it to an MSR ISO Pro fuel canister and you're ready to cook. The sturdy pot supports and accommodates a wide range of pot sizes, and the wind-resistant burner ensures your flames stay strong even in breezy conditions. In summary, the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 is a top-notch backpacking stove that combines portability, power, and ease of use. If you're in the market for a reliable, lightweight stove, look no further. With the Pocket Rocket 2, you'll be cooking up mouth-watering meals on the trail in no time. Jetboil Stash. This ultralight compact cooking system is perfect for backpackers, hikers, and campers seeking a reliable and efficient solution for their culinary needs on the trail. Let's dive into what sets the Jetboil Stash apart. Weighing in at a feather-light 7.1 ounces, the Jetboil Stash is an absolute dream for backpackers who want to minimize weight without sacrificing performance. Its compact design means you can stash it, pun intended, easily in your backpack, saving precious space for your other essential gear. The Jetboil Stash boasts a titanium burner, which not only shaves off weight, but also ensures durability and longevity. Plus, the 0.8-liter aluminum cook pot with flux ring technology offers rapid and even heating, so you can boil water or cook your meals in record time. One of the standout features of the Stash is its smart nesting system. The burner, fuel canister, and stabilizer all fit neatly inside the pot, creating a convenient, self-contained package. And with the included pot lid that doubles as a measuring cup and bowl, you've got everything you need for a satisfying meal in the great outdoors. The Jetboil Stash is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a lightweight, efficient, and easy-to-use cooking system for their outdoor adventures. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make your backpacking and camping trips even more enjoyable with this innovative and reliable stove. Primal Ridge Sabre Backpacking Stove. This little dynamo offers a fantastic combination of portability, power, and durability that'll make your outdoor cooking a cinch. Let's dive into its standout features. The Primal Ridge Sabre is the epitome of compactness. With its clever folding design and a weight of just 3.9 ounces, it is an easy-to-carry addition to your backpacking gear, ensuring you have more room for other essentials. But don't underestimate its performance. The Sabre delivers a powerful 12,000 BTUs of heat output, making it capable of boiling water or whipping up a hot meal in no time. The adjustable flame control provides the versatility you need to switch from simmering to boil with ease, giving you full control over your cooking. Durability is a hallmark of the Primal Ridge Sabre. Its construction features stainless steel and aluminum, ensuring it stands up to the rigors of outdoor use. The wide, sturdy pot supports can handle a variety of pot sizes, and the integrated piezo igniter ensures easy, reliable lighting every time. Setting up the Sabre is a breeze. Just unfold the pot supports, screw it into a compatible fuel canister, and you're ready to cook. The included carry case keeps your stove protected and makes packing even more convenient. In conclusion, the Primal Ridge Sabre backpacking stove is a top choice for adventurers seeking a lightweight, powerful, and durable stove for their outdoor culinary needs. Don't miss the chance to elevate your backpacking experience with this incredible piece of gear. GSI Outdoors Selkirk Camp Stove. The GSI Outdoors Selkirk Camp Stove is a robust and reliable stove that is perfect for car camping, family outings, or any adventure where you need a trusty cooking solution. Let's explore its features and see why it's a must-have for your next outdoor escapade. The GSI Outdoors Selkirk Camp Stove offers a powerful cooking experience with two 10,000 BTU burners that allow you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. The independent flame control for each burner provides you with the flexibility to simmer or boil at your desired heat level, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Ease of use is a key feature of the Selkirk. The push-button ignition ensures hassle-free lighting, while the stainless steel drip tray and removable grate make cleanup a breeze. Plus, the sturdy fold-out legs provide stability and elevate your cooking surface, keeping your meal prep off the ground. Designed with portability in mind, the Selkirk Camp Stove has a compact folding design and a convenient carry handle, making it easy to transport from your car to your campsite. The built-in windscreen protects your flame from gusts, ensuring consistent heat even in less than ideal weather conditions. The GSI Outdoor Selkirk Camp Stove is a fantastic choice for campers who want a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use stove for their outdoor cooking needs. Coleman Gas Camping Stove. The Coleman Gas Camping Stove supports two adjustable burners with a combined output of 20,000 BTUs, giving you the power to cook up a feast for the whole crew. The independent flame control for each burner allows for precise temperature control, ensuring perfectly cooked meals from a gentle simmer to a roiling boil. Setting up the Coleman stove is a piece of cake. It easily connects to a propane cylinder, and with the built-in pressure regulator, you can expect consistent performance throughout your cooking session. Plus, the chrome-plated grate offers easy cleaning and durability, so you know it'll last for many adventures to come. One of the standout features of this stove is the wind-blocking side panels. These adjustable panels shield your burner from gusts, keeping your flame steady and consistent, even in windy conditions. And when it's time to pack up, they conveniently fold down to act as a protective cover for your stove. The Coleman Gas Camping Stove is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a dependable, powerful, and easy-to-use stove for their outdoor cooking needs. It's time to elevate your camping experience and enjoy delicious meals in the great outdoors with this classic and reliable stove. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp System. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system features a modular design that includes two powerful burners, delivering a combined output of 10,000 BTUs for efficient and precise cooking. The stove's lever igniter ensures easy and reliable ignition, while the simmer control provides you with the flexibility to cook your meals to perfection, whether you need a gentle heat or a roaring boil. One of the standout features of the Genesis Basecamp system is its compact folding design. When not in use, the stove folds in half, fitting neatly into the included carry bag for easy transport and storage. The system also comes with a 5-liter pot, a 10-inch frying pan, and a convenient windscreen, making it a complete all-in-one solution for your cooking needs. The Jetboil Genesis is compatible with standard propane bottles, and its fuel-efficient design ensures you will use less fuel, making it an eco-friendly choice for your outdoor cooking adventures. And with the JetLink fuel output port, You can even daisy-chain additional Jetboil or Eureka stoves to create a full-fledged outdoor kitchen. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system is a fantastic choice for those seeking a versatile, high-performance, and easy-to-use cooking system for their outdoor endeavors. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your camping experience with this incredible and innovative piece of equipment. Eureka Ignite Camping Stove. The Eureka Ignite Camping Stove is equipped with two 10,000 BTU burners, providing you with ample power to cook up a storm. The stove's precise simmer control lets you adjust the flame to the perfect heat level for a wide range of meals, from slow-cooked stews to quick-boiled pastas. Ease of use is a key feature of the Ignite stove. The push-button ignition ensures hassle-free lighting, while the stainless steel drip tray and removable grate make cleanup a breeze. The sturdy base and adjustable non-slip rubber feet provide stability on uneven surfaces, so you can cook conveniently at any campsite. One of the standout features of the Eureka Ignite is its compact and portable design. The stove folds up easily and includes a convenient carry handle, making it a breeze to transport from your vehicle to your campsite. The adjustable wind panels protect your flames from gusts, ensuring consistent heat even in windy conditions. The Eureka Ignite Camping Stove is an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable, powerful, and a user-friendly stove for their outdoor culinary adventures. Don't miss the opportunity to elevate your camping experience with this fantastic stove that'll have you whipping up delicious meals in no time.